Highly sought after WYNMOOR. Beautiful remodeled 2-bed 2-bath condo. Light and bright open split floor plan eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and glass backsplash. Large living space making it great for entertaining. Large walk-in closets in both bedrooms, washer and dryer in the condo, screened-in patio overlooking garden and pool area, condo freshly painted, carpets professionally cleaned, and air conditioner service. Condo is ideally located on Avenue of the Stars. Walk to theater, pool, clubhouse, and all the fabulous amenities WYNMOOR has to offer. 55+ community. WYNMOOR is centrally located, close to amazing shopping, dining, casinos, entertainment, and major highways.